Hi, I'm Adam from Scitech, and welcome to A Cup and a Half of Science, mixing you up some easy and fun science experiments that you can do at home. Today, we're making something that is a bit gooey, a bit gross, but a lot of fun. It's slime! Slime is a really fun, quick and simple substance to make at home. Everybody can get their hands squishy and squelchy, and it involves some really cool science as well. There are lots of great slime recipes you can find with just a simple search, but this particular recipe is one of our favorites, for two reasons. One is that it doesn't involve any messy powders or glues. Don't get me wrong, we will get messy, but it'll be in a safe and fun way. The second reason is that it only takes two ingredients. One simply comes from the taps, and the other one you can easily get from the shops. This particular recipe involves food-safe ingredients, although we wouldn't recommend eating a whole bowl. If a curious mind sneaks in a little taste, it shouldn't do them any harm. For more information about conducting science experiments safely at home, please visit the link. So for this particular slime recipe, let's have a look at what we will need. You will need a microwave-safe food bowl, some tap water, microwave, a tablespoon, and some psyllium husk. You can find psyllium husk at your local supermarket in the health food section or at the health food store. First of all, you'll need to put 3 tablespoons of psyllium husk into the bowl. Psyllium husk is harvested from a group of plants specially grown for their seeds. These are the seed casings. Next, carefully pour out 400 milliliters of tap water. This is ordinary room temperature tap water, straight from the tap. Psyllium husk has inside it a polymer called mucilage. It loves water. It's what we call hydrophilic. And as it mixes with the water, it makes a substance that's clear gel. You'll have to keep stirring for a while until all of the water is absorbed by the psyllium husk. At this point, you can keep stirring and stirring until it reaches a nice slimy consistency. But if you want to speed the process up, then this is where the microwave comes in. Just pop the mixture into the microwave. Cook it on high for about a minute. You'll need a total of 5 minutes, but every minute or so, take it out and give it a bit of a stir. Now it will get hotter every time you put it back in, so be careful, make sure that it's not too hot to touch. And you'll notice it getting thicker and thicker as you do this. It'll start off very, very slimy, but the more you mix it, the more you heat it in the microwave, the more gooey and thick it'll become. So it's really up to you how you like your slime. But remember, after a few minutes, it'll get really hot, so you'll have to give it a lot of time to cool down. So we've been cooking our slime for about 4 minutes. And let's see what it's like. Ooh, nice and gooey and thick, look at that. Now be careful with this because it is quite hot. You'll see some steam coming off it. Before you start mucking in, you'll have to give it time to cool down. But you can make your slime however gooey or however slimy that you would like. And because we're Scitech, we don't want you to just follow our recipe. We want you to have fun and do experiments. So you can try changing a variable, maybe the amount of water, maybe slightly less psyllium or slightly more, even the timing or the power of the microwave. You can even add food coloring. Here's a couple we prepared earlier. And anything you like, maybe glitter. And the most important thing is to have fun and do some science. Thank you for watching A Cup and a Half of Science. I'm Adam, and we've got plenty more videos for you to watch. In the meantime, keep experimenting.